In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add JazzCash payment method on Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use JazzCash or any other custom payment method on Binance. To start, go over to the markets and access the peer-to-peer market. In here, you will be able to choose buy and select which cryptocurrency you want to purchase using JazzCash as a payment method. So you can use the filters here to change the crypto, and you can use this icon at the right side to input the specific amount, how much you want to spend, and other options, including the option to filter the payment method. So now, once you filter out and you find a specific trader that you would like to buy crypto from, all that you have to do is choose the buy option. If it says restricted, this could be due to various reasons. Maybe you need to load a balance, your account needs to be verified, and so on. The best course of action is going to be to talk to support. But if you tap on the buy option under any trader, you will be able to set it up here. So you can input the amount, and all that you have to do now is choose JazzCash from the payment methods available. So on this option here, you will find the payment methods, and you can select JazzCash. You will also see various other payment methods, and if you prefer, you can select them instead. JazzCash is going to be available on this list, and after selecting it, you can place the order. Make sure that you set up the amount correctly, and once you proceed, the order will be created. You will see the time in which you have to pay the trader, and usually they will immediately send you a chat message sending you the details about the JazzCash account, like the number, the name, and all necessary information for you to make this transfer, including the amount that you purchased, and you will be able to receive your crypto on Binance after you issue the payment. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a JazzCash payment method in Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.